Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Today we're looking at salco rice pudding. Now I can't remember if I reviewed this before or not. I do that many videos, but anyway, basically this is by Lidl. Right, so let that zoom in, guys, so you've got an idea what's in it. I'm going to do it on the hob. That's what's in it. Okay guys, let's get it opened. I've got on my Zanussi electric hob now. Alright, so first opening the can, looks kind of reasonable. Right. That's actually not bad. I've had Tesco value ones, or Tesco everyday value one, and they are very watery. It's like this. Tasting it cold, it tastes real nice. Not bad at all. Anyway, enough of me scoffing. Let's get this cooking up. Alright, so how has your day been today? Okay. I'm just talking about any old thing today. So while I'm cooking the rice pudding, we'll talk and chat. Online dating, there's what to talk about. Let's talk about online dating. How are you finding online dating? Because I'm cooking for one here, you see. I'm finding online dating is getting a little bit too stressful. Do you find that people online dating, do they, have you ever been snooped on while online dating? Interesting. Let's talk about that. So this rice pudding, yeah, it's quite nice. Looks okay. Yeah, just dating, I thought it's a good idea to talk about things while cooking. This feels nice. Yeah, do you feel like we should all go back to doing what it was years ago when we all started meeting people? I mean, when you met people, you met a person at face value. Now it's all on Facebook, and so people can track your details or snoop on you before you've even gone out with them. And I think now everything's a bit prejudged now, and people, people are very, they're just not doing themselves a favour, because what they're doing is they're being very dismissive now. I think that actually is very dismissive. They're sort of left swiping to the point where they're just not having anybody in the end. Yes. I like the old days where you went out with someone and you got to know someone. This is Madagascar vanilla, guys. I'm going to drop a bit of this in just to add a little bit of taste to it. Yeah, I just think now with dating the way things are going, I think we should return to the old days where you met up with someone. Stop fretting, stop thinking, oh God, is he an axe murderer, or is that? I mean, as I said before, we didn't have access to the internet, in the early days. You just went out with someone and you used common sense and you used perception. Now it's to the point where it's impossible. And I think women especially seem to be very dismissive over men. But guys are the same. Leave your comments, guys. Anyway, I mean, that's while we'll wait for this to cook. Certainly tastes better with this. This is actually the pantry, and this is from Aldi. Really recommend this stuff. Great for giving it. So far, I'm liking what I see. All right. We don't want to overboil this. So yeah, talking about dating. One of them things, isn't it? Are people becoming too suspicious? People are just, instead of just going forward with a relationship and seeing where it goes, everyone's dismissing it even before it's got off the ground. Yeah, not good. Alright guys, enough of that. Let's taste the product. I'm going to pop it in here now. One thing I noticed, sometimes when you cook these, they go very watery. I'm going to try that. So that is what that looks like. Not bad. I think that's quite nice. Actually, I can recommend that. Not bad, not as good as Tesco's own. If you really want a nice rice pudding, I go for Tesco's own. But that's just a quick look at that, guys. Okay, 5 out of 10. Not too bad, and a 10 by Lidl, but I think personally I pay the extra and get Tesco's. Thanks for watching. Comments in the box. Thanks, like, and all that. And I'll see you soon.